Imagine this. Every single day, from the moment you wake up until the moment you close your eyes at night, you are sending out invisible signals into the universe. These signals are created not only by your actions, but by your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. And those signals decide whether wealth flows towards you or whether it stays far away. Some call it vibration, some call it energy, some call it frequency. Whatever you call it, the truth is simple. Money is not just numbers on a bank screen. It is energy. It responds to how you treat it, how you feel about it, and what you believe about it. And if your relationship with money is unhealthy, it doesn't matter how hard you work, you will find yourself blocked again and again. That's why today on Cosmic Connect, we are going to uncover something powerful. The 3 silent ways people block money in their own lives without even realizing it. These are not surface level habits. These are foundational blocks that create repeating cycles of lack. By the end of this video, you will see clearly why money has been slipping through your fingers, and more importantly, how to finally shift your energy so it stays with you and grows. Before we go further, remember, Cosmic Connect is a place where we align energy with abundance, where we train our minds and souls to become magnets for wealth. If you're serious about breaking financial blocks and building a new reality, subscribe right now, leave your reflections in the comments, and share this with someone who is ready to rise with you. Together, we create a community where wealth is not luck, but a natural frequency we all tune into. First way, the patterns in your financial results. The first way you block money is visible in the mirror of your life. Your repeating financial results. Think about it carefully. Every person has a pattern. For some, money arrives but leaves immediately through sudden expenses. For others, promotions appear and then disappear mysteriously at the last moment. Some people receive opportunities but never quite manage to hold on to them. The story changes on the outside, but the core pattern stays the same. And here is the insight most people ignore. These repeating results are not accidents. They are feedback. The universe is constantly showing you the frequency you are holding. Until you change the frequency, the patterns will continue to repeat. It's like the seasons, like the winter, summer, monsoon. If you don't like the cold, you cannot shout at the snow to stop falling. You must prepare differently. In the same way, if your money patterns keep repeating, it's not about blaming the world, your boss, or your circumstances. It's about recognizing the cycle and asking, what energy am I broadcasting that keeps creating the same outcome? One of the most powerful exercises you can do is to sit down with pen and paper and write your last 5 to 10 financial experiences. You will notice a pattern emerging. That pattern is the first sign of where your block exists. Awareness of your result patterns is the first step to breaking free. Second way, the feelings you hold about money. Now let's go deeper. The second block hides in your emotions, kind of the way you feel about money. Here's the truth. Being broke and feeling broke are 2 completely different things. You can have nothing in your bank account and still feel expansive, trusting, and open. And you can have thousands saved and still feel insecure, anxious, and afraid. Money, like a friend, senses how you feel about it. Imagine you invite someone to your house, but every time they come, you treat them like a burden. How long before they stop visiting? The same is true for money. If you dismiss it, resent it, or shame it, it will not stay. I've seen people who say things like, "Oh, this isn't my money, it's my spouse's," or "This little amount doesn't count." In doing so, they reject the very energy they're asking for, and rejection creates distance. Look at Elon Musk's story. He went bankrupt multiple times, but he never felt bankrupt. He carried the energy of someone who knew he was destined for wealth, and that feeling kept pulling money back to him. On the other hand, I've seen individuals with steady incomes who live in a constant emotional state of lack, worrying, doubting, complaining. And true to their emotions, their money never feels enough, no matter how much comes in. So ask yourself, when money comes into your life, through your job, your partner, your business, how do you feel? Do you welcome it with gratitude and warmth? Or do you feel guilt, anger, or indifference? Your emotions are training the universe how to treat you. If you feel broke even when money is present, that block will keep repeating until you shift it. Third way, the beliefs you carry about money. The third, and perhaps the deepest block, is hidden in your beliefs. Beliefs are not casual thoughts. They are truths you live by, and they decide the limits of your reality. Poor people and rich people live in the same world, with the same opportunities, but their beliefs separate them completely. The poor believe in their current reality. They say, "This is what I earn. This is who I am." The rich believe in their potential reality. They say, "I don't see it yet, but I know it is mine." And that shift of belief changes everything. Manifestation is not about believing what is already visible. It is about believing in what is unseen. Your dreams are not fantasies. They are previews of your potential. When you choose to believe in them as if they already exist, you align your frequency with them. Now, many people struggle with this. They say, "How can I believe in something I don't see?" The answer is repetition. You don't need to fully believe on day one. You only need to repeat. Repeat affirmations. Repeat visualizations. Repeat gratitude. With repetition, your subconscious accepts it as truth. Belief grows not only from proof, but also from practice. So instead of saying, "I'll believe it when I see it," start saying, "I'll see it because I believe it." This is how you unlock the wealth frequency within you. So let's put it all together. The 3 ways you block money are: 1. By repeating the same financial result patterns without questioning them. 2. By feeling broke even when money flows into your life. 3. By holding beliefs that are limited to your current reality instead of your potential reality. The good news is all 3 can be changed. You can observe and break the repeating cycles. You can train your emotions to feel abundant regardless of circumstances. And you can rewrite your beliefs until they match your highest vision. When you shift these 3, money stops running away from you and starts running toward you. Because money is not chasing or hiding. Money is simply responding to the frequency you hold. So now I want you to pause, take a breath, and declare it in the comments. I am ready to release the blocks. Let the universe hear your declaration. And if you're new here, subscribe to Cosmic Connect. This is where we transform wealth from a struggle into a frequency. Share this video with someone you love, because wealth energy multiplies when it is shared. Remember, you are not chasing money, you are aligning with it. And the moment your patterns, your feelings, and your beliefs shift, the universe has no choice but to deliver abundance to you.